All right, welcome. This is the week 3 of the distance learning packet for IM2. Here we have the last page, which is page 5, which is like a performance task. All right. So here you're gonna create a story based on this situation, and so before we can do that, we should label our graphs. All right. I'm gonna label my x-axis time. So here you could do it any way you want. So my x-axis is going to be time. So this is going to be my time, and for this I'm just going to call this in just minutes probably, okay? And my y is my output, and for my situation is going to be likes. How can I write this? I can just write it. You know what I'm going to do? Likes on YouTube videos. Okay. All right. And I'm going to grab this, then rotate it. Boom. Yep, perfect. Good. And then grab it. Hopefully I select transparent only. Yep. And grab it right there. Perfect. All right. So what does each one of this represent? So at this one, right? Let me zoom in. So at this one, okay, what this represent is at 5 minutes. Okay, I have 5 likes. Here, what this represents, right? 10. What's my x? That's 10 minutes. I'm gonna have 5 likes. Okay. And then right here goes all the way up. Here, you could say this is at 15 minutes. I have 15 likes. All right, good. So what is my story that I can write for this? I could write when Mr.S releases a YouTube video, the rate, the graph shows the relationship between the time since the video releases and the amount of likes he gets on that video. Then I would say during the first 5 minutes, his video gets 5 likes. Okay. After, right, because that's the first 5 minutes. After 5 more minutes, no one likes his videos. Okay, that's why it says at 5 likes at 10 minutes. And then after 5 more minutes, okay, because that's 15, the video likes jumps to a to receive 10 more likes, giving his video a total like count of 15. All right, so that is what is occurring based on our situation here, right? You see how it jumps up from 5 likes to 15 by a count of 10. So the total count is 15 there. All right, good. All right, so how would you write your equations for each piece? So all these are all linear equations, right? And when we write our linear equations, it's very easily of writing y equals mx plus b. Okay, so let's do the first one. All right, the first one, I'm just gonna do that in red. All right, so the b here, the y-intercept here, is gonna be 0, and the slope is gonna be what? 5 over 5. Okay, which is just 1, right? So this would be y is equal to 1x plus 0. That would be the first one. Blue, okay, the y-intercept here. Do you see how it starts here at 5? The slope here is what? 0. It doesn't increase. Do you see that? It doesn't increase. It goes from 5 to 5. I have no viewer count. So here I could just write y is equal to 0x plus 5, but no one writes that 0x. So you can see this one as just this. Then lastly, I think that was the orange. The y-intercept here is where it starts, and it starts here on 5. Okay, then the slope here, it goes all the way up to 15. If we do the slope, I think it is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it was 10 in I changed my y over 5. So this is 2 over 1. So you can write the slope here. So this was 5. So the slope here was 10 over 5, which is just 2 over 1. So here it's 2 over 1x plus 5. There you go. Write each of these equations, how the equations connect to your story. Okay, so y equals to 1 plus 0. This means is the starting view count. Okay. No, this is the starting, not view count. This is the starting like count. And this is the rate that people like the video. All right. And it matches because here, do you see the starting count was 0 and they had every single minute one person liked it. And then the blue one would be no one liked it, right? No one liked it, and it stayed at 5 like counts. Okay, and then the last one would be y is equal to 2x over 1 plus 5. Okay, so it grew fast, right? It grew at 2 likes per minute, and it, remember, this is where it started like count. All right, so there you go. Those are all the solutions.